Welcome back to Future Phone Flash. Today, we're diving into the latest buzz surrounding Apple's upcoming iPhone 16 series. From groundbreaking battery innovations to eco-friendly design choices and everything in between, join us as we uncover all the exciting details you need to know. Introduction to iPhone 16 series. Apple is eagerly preparing for the launch of its highly anticipated iPhone 16 series following the recent debut of iOS 18 at WWDC. This new generation of iPhones promises not only to push the boundaries of technology, but also to set new standards in smartphone innovation. Reports suggest that Apple is pioneering electrically induced adhesive debonding technology for the iPhone 16. This revolutionary approach aims to simplify the process of battery replacement, making it more accessible and user-friendly than ever before. By utilizing this technology, Apple is not only enhancing user convenience, but also contributing to a more sustainable future by reducing the environmental impact of device maintenance. Eco-friendly design. Aligned with stringent EU legislation, Apple's commitment to sustainability is evident in the design of the iPhone 16. The new model ensures that batteries can be replaced without the need for specialized tools, promoting easier maintenance and extending the lifespan of devices. This eco-conscious approach reflects Apple's dedication to reducing carbon footprint while delivering exceptional user experiences. iPhone 16 features. Anticipation surrounds the iPhone 16's impressive lineup of features. Rumors indicate significant improvements in battery performance, with longer-lasting capabilities that cater to the demands of modern smartphone users. Expect larger displays that offer immersive viewing experiences, enhanced camera systems that capture every moment with stunning clarity, and a powerful AI chip designed to handle complex tasks seamlessly. With these advancements, the iPhone 16 is poised to redefine what users can expect from their smartphones. Release date and pricing. As we eagerly await the official announcement, the iPhone 16 is rumored to be unveiled in September 2024. While specific pricing details have yet to be confirmed, industry experts anticipate competitive pricing that aligns with Apple's strategy of making cutting-edge technology accessible to a wide audience. Stay tuned for updates as we approach the launch date, ensuring you're among the first to experience the future of mobile innovation. iPhone 16 Overview. The iPhone 16 series is gearing up to introduce 4 distinct models: the standard iPhone 16, iPhone 16 Plus, iPhone 16 Pro, and iPhone 16 Pro Max. Each variant is rumored to come packed with significant advancements tailored to diverse user preferences and needs. Display and performance. All models are expected to feature state-of-the-art OLED displays, with the Pro versions, such as the iPhone 16 Pro and Pro Max, potentially incorporating ProMotion technology for incredibly smooth visuals and up to 120 Hz refresh rates. Camera innovations. Anticipate groundbreaking enhancements in camera technology, particularly with the iPhone 16 Pro and Pro Max speculated to sport a cutting-edge triple camera system. This setup may include a powerful 48MP main sensor, a high-resolution 48MP ultra-wide lens, and a 12MP telephoto lens with impressive 5x optical zoom capabilities. These upgrades promise superior image quality and expanded zoom functionalities. Design and interface. New additions like the innovative Action button and Capture button are expected across the entire iPhone 16 lineup. These features are designed to enhance usability and cater specifically to the needs of photography enthusiasts, making capturing moments easier and more intuitive than ever before. Performance upgrades. Powered by the next-generation A18 chip and equipped with 8 GB of RAM, the iPhone 16 series guarantees remarkable performance improvements and enhanced efficiency compared to its predecessors. Whether you're multitasking or engaging in intensive gaming sessions, expect a seamless and responsive user experience. Potential supercycle impact. Industry analysts foresee a potential supercycle with the launch of the iPhone 16, marking a significant upgrade wave as users with older devices are enticed by the compelling features and advancements offered by these new models. Advanced chip and AI capabilities. At the core of the iPhone 16 series lies the groundbreaking A18 chip, heralded for its next-generation performance capabilities. Expected to power all models within the lineup, the A18 chip is set to redefine the landscape of smartphone computing with its unparalleled processing power and efficiency. Of particular note are the chip's enhanced AI capabilities, which promise to revolutionize various aspects of smartphone functionality, including but not limited to advanced image processing, augmented reality applications, and enhanced computational photography in challenging low-light conditions. Redesigned aesthetics and exciting color options. Leaks and rumors surrounding the iPhone 16 Pro Max point to a significant design overhaul, marking a departure from its predecessors. Among the anticipated changes are the introduction of capacitive touch buttons for enhanced tactile feedback and a streamlined pill-shaped camera module that promises improved optical capabilities. Additionally, Apple is rumored to introduce a new rose-colored option for the Pro models, aimed at combining aesthetic elegance with technological innovation, catering to a broader spectrum of consumer preferences. Expanded displays and enhanced refresh rates. In terms of display technology, the iPhone 16 series is expected to showcase significant advancements, emphasizing larger screen sizes and reduced bezels for a more immersive viewing experience. Leading the charge are the Pro models, rumored to feature expansive screen sizes of up to 6.9 inches, complemented by a dynamic 120 Hz refresh rate. This enhancement not only promises smoother scrolling and responsiveness, but also sets a new standard for visual fidelity and user interaction, dented convenience and efficiency. Outro. As anticipation builds towards the official unveiling of the iPhone 16 series in September 2024, enthusiasts and consumers alike can stay informed with the latest developments by subscribing to Future Phone Flash. Explore the forefront of mobile technology and discover how Apple continues to push boundaries with its flagship devices. This version provides a detailed overview of each chapter while expanding on the technological advancements and features expected from the iPhone 16 Pro Max and the broader iPhone 16 series. Let me know if there's anything more you'd like to adjust or add.